Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Breaking news, the KZN Government of Provincial Unity made up of the IFP, ANC, DA, NFP coalition has defeated the MK-EFF motion of no confidence in Premier Tamintuli with a score of 40-39. Message ibhalwe uMinister we-Public Works okuDean McPherson lapha bekajabule khona eshare indaba zokuthi i-motion of no confidence ebeyifakwe i-MK party against uPremier uTamintuli ayiphumelelanga. Sizokhumbula ukuthi upresident we-NFP waphumela obala ukuthi bona bazosupport i-MK party ngoba banenkolelo ukuthi vele iqembu kuyilona elaphumelela KwaZulu-Natal nabantu abakwaZulu-Natal ababefuna libaphathe i-MK party. Okuthe ngolwesihlanu uCIC uJulius Malema wathi nabo as i-EFF bazobe besupporta i-MK party namuhla. So i-MK party zeyine confidence. Uze wathi uCIC uJulius Malema fanele uzoma asuke ayokhuluma nama-member awoncanca amanye ama-member we-ANC ukuthi awamsupport ngoba bebenethemba lokuthi kuzokwenziwa lento ekuthiwa i-secret ballot. Angithi uma kuyi-secret ballot uma nivota kusuke abantu bengazi ukuthi wena uvotele ini. Kodwa uma sebefikile eParliament uSpeaker uphambene nalokho wathi cha akungabi i-secret ballot. Ngakho ke kuzoba i-open ballot. Ngicela ukukhombisa nje ivideo yakhona bona la.
Ability not only to have the house continuing but also to ensure that the people of this province, whoever they are protected. We noted the violence that was meted on others already. We then, honorable members, decided that regardless of that, we will continue with the voting. Open voting. I am now calling upon those in support to stand in their seats, those against to remain seated, and stand. Those against, sit in your seat and sit down. Those who abstain, be in your seat and raise your hand. Be in your seat and raise your hand. Honorable members, you are disrupting. Sergeant in arms, tell the members to move to their seats.
Njengoba ubona ke ama-member MK party avela aqala ukucula ke kwaphazamiseka nje ngoba bona bebeze beyifuna ukuthi kube i-secret ballot. Kodwa uSpeaker wabajikela wathi cha kuzoba i-open ballot. Lokho kuyidumaze kakhulu i-MK party. Ngiyacabangela noma bengashongo ukuthi kunabantu bebebanxenxile kwamanye ama-political party mhlambe ku-ANC noma kuphi kwakhona abathembisana khona ukuthi ababasupporte kulento. Manje ingakho ubona sebebanga lo msindo uma sekuthiwa i-open ballot ngoba vele phela izinto zenzeka kanje. Uma kuyi-secret ballot angeke uwazi ukuthi ubani uvotele bani, ubani wavota wathini. Into ozotshelwa yona nje uzotshela ukuthi amavoti angaka ahamba kanje. Kodwa uma kuyi-open ballot akucabanga nje uma ngathiwa ubuyimember ye-ANC kuthiwa voter against emotion ube wazi ukuthi ni kwi-government. Bengeke kulunga ama-member MK party disruptor le session ebikhona lapha ngoba ayabona into yabo ngeke isahamba kahle. Kanti oyilunga le NFP angithi umuntu wayithe NFP izosupporta i-motion oyilunga le NFP Mbaleshinga uvelena waphumela obala babhale kanjena ke But this is Mbali Shinga of NFP. She has refused to support the motion of no confidence against Premier Tamintuli because she's protecting her MEC position. Disgusting. Kodwa yena uPhumela Obala wathi yena ngeke akwazi ukusupporta emotion le eza ne-MK Party. Yingakho phela mawuzwa amavoti lapha ethi 40-39 ngoba i-legislature se-KZN i-constitute abantu abawu-80. Okusho ukuthi MK Party na 37, EFF ina 2, NF Party na 1, ngicabanga ukuthi DA na 15. Ngizokufakela kahle iphike nama numbers aphelele.
And to the Revolutionary Ground Forces of Economic Freedom Fighters led by our Commander-in-Chief Julius Saloma Lema, we offer our disciplined and militant greetings. Also the progressive and astute NFP, MEC Mbali Shinga, sesimthathile ungakuthina. We stand today to deepen a necessary debate on the crisis of leadership and governance and democratic legitimacy in KwaZulu-Natal. This debate is necessary because as the EFF, we believe that the people of KwaZulu-Natal deserve leaders who are accountable and capable of delivering real change. We cannot normalize a provincial administration that exists through political manipulation rather than a democratic mandate. The 2024 elections were loud and clear. The people of KwaZulu-Natal spoke decisively and placed the MKP as the leading political party in this legislature. Regardless of political differences between these parties, the democratic outcome was clear, and any attempt to distort it must be confronted and be exposed. It is an insult to democracy for KwaZulu-Natal to be led by parties who together, IFP, DA, and ANC, can form 45% of MKP combined, not counting the NFP. Not counting the NFP because the NFP is with us now. Coalitions are legitimate tools in multi-party democracies, but they should never be weaponized to overturn clear electoral outcomes. What happened in KwaZulu-Natal amounts to a political hijacking of people's will, executed through fear, desperation, and opportunism. What makes it worse, it's not like you are doing anything meaningful with the power that you have stolen. You have stolen the people's mandate to govern KZN, and you still fail to deliver basic services. And all those whose voices were ignored, we reaffirm that the EFF supports the motion of no confidence. We do so because democracy must be protected.
Ngoba usizwa ke sizathu esibekwa ngokhulumela i-EFF KwaZulu-Natal siyafana nse neshuwo siyayisijula simalema ukuthi idemocracy isebenza ukuthi lona okuyena onamavoti amaningi akube uyena ozobiza abantu kuhlanganisa igovernment, hayi lento eyenzeka njengoba bethi kwaba imanipulation. Angicaphunele into eyenzekile uma ngabe sekufundwa imiphumela lapha sukume khona amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party asondela lapha phambili kwaze kwalamla amaphoyisa.
Madam Speaker, the voting results are as follows: 30 members against the motion. No other votes recorded. Thank you. Thank you, honorable members. The motion has failed. Honorable Ntuli remains the premier. The House is adjourned. But, honorable members, I will invoke Lejifuna Batala to all the members. Ubani uvotile, kuvote bani, kuvote bani. Kuvote bani, kuvote bani.
Thema kuphunywa phandle abezindaba bahlangana nobaba uNtuli base beyambuza ukuthi ukufikeni kwakhe la ubethukile na noma yini abekayilindele. Yena ke mase khuluma bezindaba wakhuluma kanje.
Well, I was not worried at all because the motion was registered by the MKP and was supported by EFF, who never supported the GPU. When the executive was elected, they never voted for the executive. And along the way, they've never said they have a vote of confidence. So it was not a new thing. It was absolutely creating chaos. What is unfortunate, what is painful, is what I saw, the GBV at its highest level. When the speaker was physically attacked, when he was saying we are just consolidating for the 365 activism against gender-based violence. But we saw it happening today. And people of KwaZulu-Natal, they must now know the MKP and the EFF that they were making expectations that they can do something, and they are failing the people of KwaZulu-Natal. The chaos which was brought to the House, people who voted for parties, they think as honorable members, we are supposed to work for the people. We are supposed to ensure that we discuss policies that will change the lives of the people, not to fight for positions and powers, not in fact to create kind of the chaos which was there.
Are you particularly concerned about the messaging that sends out? You know the province of KwaZulu-Natal and the volatility, and when incidents like this happen, there is a concern of, what could be widespread, violence and altercations. That behavior that you're talking about, are you particularly concerned about the messaging that it now sends out to people?
I'm worried when we have leaders at a provincial government in the legislature attacking a woman in that way. It's a message which is unfair for the situation in KwaZulu-Natal. There is stability in this province. We have done everything to bring stability and to fight crime. And then for us as leaders to behave in that way is quite very unfortunate.
Premier, I know that you want to address your supporters. They've come from all over the province to support you. So I'm going to let you go. But thank you.
Asibambe le video la. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi ngikhave yonke into ebefanele uyazi. Nanokuthi ke iNFP ebeyithembile nokulalela upresident wayo ekhuluma ukuthi bona bazosupport MKP. Kodwa ke ngeshwa akasi member ye legislature, umuntu wemember ye legislature umama lo o MEC. Uya understand na position yakhe ukuthi lo muntu unesikhundla ngenxa ye JPU. So uma ngabe vote against yona bengeke kuzwakale kahle. Nami nje kuyimi. Nami nje kuyimpela sithi sizula ikhonkoti nethambo. Angeke nami ngoba lena ingilethela iposition ingifakela imali kunothi ngisupport noma ngathi iqiniso lingakanani, kodwa imali iyakwazi ukuthenga iqiniso. Imali namandla ikwazi ukuthatha umfundisi imbeke ekhoneni akwazi ukuqamba amanga angcwaba umuntu angamazi ngenxa ukuthi uzokhokhelwa imali. Ngizama ukwenzela umzekelo nje ukuthi imali ayilithezwe limanzi, so ayikhonkoti nethambo senjalo isizulu. Bekungelula ukuthi lo mama weNFP angasupporta le motion ekubene neposition ngenxa ukuthi bakule government of provincial unity. Okunye kwesibili okuyishayile iMK party indaba ye-secret ballot. Ayikuyishayile ngoba noma ngathiwa bebewenzile umsebenzi wokunxenxa amanye amalunga ka-ANC namanye amalunga mhlambe ukuthi nina votani kanye nathi babathemisa khona, kodwa kuphumelelanga ngoba phela lana kuthiwe kuzovotwa open. Kube kwi-secret ballot bekuzovotwa kubonakale ngama-results kungaziwi ukuthi ubani ovotele bani ubani wangavotela bani. Ngicabanga ukuthi amalunga omkhonto esizophatha ukulwa kwawo alwe ngoba umsebenzi omningi bese bewenzile wokunxenxa abantu abathize bekhulumisane nabo bebaconvince ukuthi abavote kanye nabo. Manje mangabe lezo inhlelo seyivele iguquka nje nami bengingalo. Angibambeke le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani ngalo kwalokho. Mina nawe sidibane kwi video elandelayo.